Hello and welcome to part 2. Next, we're going to configure our Kali. First, we can open up the terminal. Next, we're going to update the system. First, we can type sudo apt update. It prompts us for our password. You can type it in. One thing you should know, when you type in your password, it's going to look as if you're not typing in anything. You are, but the characters are invisible. Next, we're going to upgrade all of our packages. I like to add -y so we can skip any prompts. Depending on your internet, this might take a while. If the upgrade takes a long time, your screen might go black. That's okay. You can just click and then you can log in again. Your progress is saved. Okay, great. Our Kali is now up to date. Next, let's configure Foxy Proxy for Burp Suite. We can type into Google Foxy Proxy Firefox. We can see here we are on the official mozilla.org add-ons website, and we see Foxy Proxy standard. We're going to add it to our Firefox. I like to have it run in private windows. This is a personal choice, really. Make sure that you select to pin it to the toolbar. Next, let's configure the burp proxy. We're going to go to Options, Proxies, Add. We're going to call it Burp. For type, we can select Burp, and it should automatically fill it out. We can click Save, and then we can close this out. Now when we hit here, we should see the burp option. Next, we need to configure the certificate for burp. First, open up burp. First, we're going to go to Proxy. Now that burp is open, we're going to select Foxy Proxy, and we're going to select burp. Next, we're going to go to http://burp. On here, we're going to select CA certificate. Next, we're going to import the certificate. You want to select Trust on both of the options. Okay, done. Next, let's get our connection pack set up for the lab. Go ahead and go to CanYouHackMe, and let's sign in. Now that we're logged in, we can click on Connect to Lab. We can select Machines. You can choose either America or Europe. I have a premium membership, so I'm on Pro Plus. If you're on the free plan, it should automatically select free for you. Okay, we have our pack. Next, let's make a new folder. When you say pwd, that shows you your current working directory. In the next module, we'll go over Linux basics, but for now, we're just going to make a folder and put the connection pack into that folder. First, make sure that you're in your home folder. It should be /home/ whatever your username is. Next, we can say cp ~/downloads, and then the name of your file, and then dot. We can see the file here. Now let's make a new folder for VPNs. Okay, we used mkdir to make a folder, and now when we use ls, we can see the folder we made. Now let's move the connection pack into that folder. Next, let's enter the folder. Great. Now that we're in the folder with our VPN pack, let's connect to our VPN. Okay, now let's test it. We can start a machine. Okay, and it gives us a LAN IP address. We can click here to copy it. Next, we can go Session, New Tab. If we say ifconfig, we should see tune 0. If you see tune 0 and tune 1, that means you have two connection packs running at the same time, which can lead to issues. Next, we're going to ping the IP address that was given. Great, we can see we're connected to the lab. In future modules, we'll talk about how to actually attack machines. I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video, we'll talk about site functions.